Jai Hind, my name is Mukulit Goel and I am assistant professor in Department of MCA, and today I am going to present a topic of input output in Java from subject object oriented programming, and subject code is KC 202 and my target students are MCA students. Table content, my table of content is introduction about input and output in Java, the term associated with the input output processing using Java, the stream classes, what are the different stream classes in Java we use for input output processing. Then the two type of stream classes, details of byte stream and details of character stream, and in last I will discuss few programs of how to create a file using Java and how to write in a file using Java. So now let me start with the introduction. So the input output stream is used to represent the input source and the output destination. The stream method help to sequentially access a file. Some streams simply pass the data, while some manipulate and transform the data in a useful way or in the way they are to be used. So for using input output functions in Java, we use the package which is known as java.io package. It contains the classes that allows the users to convert their characters streams into byte streams or vice versa. So the non-Unicode bytes are converted using Unicode characters into stream reader, input stream reader, and Unicode characters are converted into non-Unicode bytes, that is using output stream reader. What is the Unicode characters or not Unicode characters is a standard coding format for converting them into binary, and these two classes will help in their conversion, input stream reader and output stream reader. So the terms associated, first is stream. Stream is a sequence of data object that suppose various methods, might be read, write, and these streams works on the files for the input devices, for the output devices. Let it understand by using an example ki how these stream files works or the stream works. By using any Java application, I want to print using a printer. I want to use a printer using some Java application. So all these stream classes will help me to print the document using Java application. Next, input stream reader, it reads the data from source, and this class is a bridge from byte stream to a character stream. It reads the bytes and decodes them into character. Output stream writer, it writes the data to the destination. Once item writes data to a destination, one item at a time, and this class creates a bridge between the character streams and the byte streams. Unicode is the intentional character encoding standard by which each letter or digit or symbol is assigned a unique number, and this unique number is identified all over the platforms. And non-Unicode text is the text which we write, like we have represent something in English, like we represent something in Hindi, and all those characters which we write in English in Hindi can be converted into a Unicode, and this Unicode is understood by these stream classes, and then the output will be shown or the output processing will be done, input and output processing will be done accordingly. Next, what are the different stream classes? There are two types of stream classes in Java. First is byte stream class, another is character stream class. What byte stream class is? Byte stream class have two subparts, which is input stream classes and output stream classes, and character stream classes have two different types of subclasses, which is reader classes and writer classes. The difference between these two are that the byte stream classes can be used for text and for non-textual data, means for images, for audios, for videos, we would byte stream, and the character stream classes are specifically used for reading and writing into a file, reading from the file or writing into a file. So this is the basic difference, and these are the two stream classes which we use in Java for input output processing. First, now this is the detailed view of stream classes, how these stream classes are formed and how and what are the different classes and methods they use for representing the input output streams. So first I will discuss byte stream. In byte stream, as it is shown earlier also, there are two type of stream, which is input stream and output stream. The input stream have different classes, which is file input stream, buffered input stream, data input stream, object input stream, and byte array input stream. Means we can input into a file using all these classes, maybe file input, maybe buffer input, maybe data input. If we want to put any object, or we can use in a input processing using an array, so we use byte array. In the same way, we have the output stream in file output stream, buffered output stream, data output stream, object output stream, and byte array output stream. Same is with the stream classes. We have reader and writer, two subclasses, and these two subclasses have these methods: file reader, buffered reader, piped reader, input stream reader, and character array reader. It's the same way in the writer: file writer class, file writer method, buffer writer method, pipe writer method, input stream writer, and the character array writer. So this is the detailed view of Java input output stream classes and their methods. Now let us discuss each one by one. First, byte stream. In Java programming, the concept of byte for efficient input output operations. They are specially designed to handle the binary data, making them essential working for the non-textual information such as images, audio files, or some other type of data which is not a text. The byte stream use two main classes, which is file input stream and file output stream, which I have shown already in this diagram. The byte stream will be done in the three phases. First, we split the input data into a stream using a splitter. This splitter interface is an internal iterator that breaks the stream into smaller parts for traversing over them. Then after splitting, we apply the elements in the streams are processed, and after applying the processing, we combine all the elements after this processing has been done. So in this three phase, the byte stream has been applied. First, we split the data. Second, we apply the processing, and third, after processing, we combine all these elements which are splitted earlier. The types of byte stream: first, input stream and file output stream for reading and writing bytes to a file. Buffered output stream for efficient buffered operation. Data input stream and data output stream for handling different data types. There are the what are the data types? Data types are like int, float, char, boolean. All these are data types is handled using data input stream and data output stream. Like for int, we will only take output which we are related with the integer numbers. Like in character, we take the data from the text. So it is an example in which we write in a file using a byte stream. So what we have do, first we have imported the package which is java.io. Then we create a class. We can give any name. So I am explaining byte stream, so I give a short form of byte stream which is BS. And in BS, first we define the main function, and what it throws the IO exception. What does IO exception mean? What is exception? Exception means if there is an NA, then it will show an input output exception. It will not show any other exception. It will not throw any other exception, because we are working on the input output files. So it will throw input output exception. We create two input streams. First, file input stream, then next is file output stream, and we have given some name, like we have given source stream is equal to null or target stream is equal to null initially. Then we give a source stream, means which is our source file, which is mca.txt, which is our target file, which is btech.txt, and in temporary we assign it to a -1, and finally we, if not equal to null, then we close the source file and not equal to null, then we have closed the target file. So it is the program which reads from the reading source file using the read method and write it to a file using a write method. So it is the output. In mca.java, I have written this is the class of Java. So it is the output which we have taken into a file and we write into a file. So from this file, it is copied to another file which is beta.txt. Next we come on character stream. In character stream, the values are stored using Unicode conventions. So in byte stream, we use 8-bit of data. We perform operations in input and output operations using 8-bit of data. But for using character streams, we perform the input operations on 16 bits of data. So in character streams, there are two main files, which is file reader and the file writer, and these are used at a time to create a instance of a file reader class, and file writer is used to create the instance of the file writer class at the destination, and file reader class is to create an instance of file reader class on the source. So these two stream classes which we use. So now I will discuss the program for file creation. In file creation using character stream, what we do, first we import the package which is java.io.file. Then we give a name to a class which I have given file create. Then we create an object for the current location. Means we want to give our name to a file. We have created one file and we want to give a destination of that file or the location of that file. So we have given the name to a file is mcfile.txt, and the object we created for the destination of the file, or we have given ashi. Then we create a new file with the name specified. This file is created using a boolean values, and we call the object which we created for the file and create a new file. And if the file is we are creating a new file, then it will say system.out.println new file is created. If this file is already created or existed in that drive or in any location which we have specified, then it will show the file has already exists. Okay. And for any exception, we use a try and catch block, and using get stack trace we caught an exception. So using this program we have created a file. I will explain it again. First we import the package which is java.io.file. Then we create a class. We have given a name to a class which is file create. Then after giving a name to a class, we create an object for a new file. We have in that object we have defined the file name and also the location. If we have not defined any location, specified location, then this file will be saved at the location from which this program is and the location on which this program is stored. So then using a try and catch block, we create a new file by using the file object, and after creating of that file, this file initially will be blank. So this file is, if this file is newly created, then it will show a message new file is created, and this file is already exists, then it will show a message the file already exists. So now we will see an output. In the output we have what we have done. First we have compiled this program javac file create.java by using this command on cmd. We have compiled this program. After compilation we will see that there is no error. So when there is no error, we simply run a file which is java file create.java, and actually this file is already created in my laptop, so it will show a message that file already exists. After creating this file, we will write some content to a file. We will write a content in a Java program, and using that Java program, the content which we have written in the program is copied directly into the file. So for that we have created one first we have imported the package which is file writer, java.io.filewriter. Then we have created a class and given some name to that class. After giving the name to that class, we have, using a string data type, we write something into the, we have written some content we showed onto that file. For that we have created a, we have used string data type and given the name Dipanshu. In this data type, all this content is written and this content is shown on the output of this program. So after writing this content, we have given a destination of the file on which data has written. So what, for that we have used file writer class, and for file writer class we have given name of this object as output, and this, using this output, we have given the location, the name of the file, the mca file.txt. In that mca file.txt, using this, the object of this file creator, what we have written, output.write Dipanshu, means in this file write the content which is written on the string data type Dipanshu. So all the content which is written in the string is been written into a file, which file name is mca file.txt. When text is written in that file, it will show an output system using this file. If the data is written onto a file without any error in the program, it will say data is written to a file. We close the writer class and later we close the action and this program. Okay, I will again explain this program. Writing any content into a file using Java program, first we have import the package which is java.io.filewriter. After importing the package, we have given a class name. After giving a class name, we define a string data type in which we will write the content which to be written on that file. After writing the content on the file, we create an object of file writer class. The object which we have created for file writer class is output. Using this name, this object, we write the content of which is written into Dipanshu into the file which is mca file.txt. When the content is written into the mca file.txt, in the output it will show that data is written to the file. After this output, we close the writer class, and after closing this writer class, we close this program. So now we will see an output of this program. See, the same way we compiled it using Java C. After compilation, it does not show any error. So it does not show, if it does not show any error, we directly run that program, and after running that program, it says that data is written to the file. So whatever data I have written into that is written here in the file which is mca file.txt. As you have seen in a output, mca file.txt, all the data which is written into that file is written into this blank file. So using character stream, what we have do, first we have created a file using Java. Then after creating this file, we have written into this file using file writer class. So with this, I will finish my presentation. Thank you very much.